Chapter 7 વિશ્વાસો નૈવ કર્તવ્ય. Never trust. Hello student.
Hello teacher.
Students, are you listening to the story?
Yes teacher.
Students, there are many types of stories. Everyone from children to the elderly loves to hear the story. There are many stories in Sanskrit literature that teach morality. So today, let me tell you a beautiful story in Sanskrit language. You all listen carefully. The name of this story is Vishwaso Naiv Kartavya. Never trust. Ekam vanam asti. There is a forest. Vane eka aja asti. There is a god in the forest. Sa swasya putram vadati. Putra, aham bahihi gacchami. She tells her young one, Dear, I go out. Aham shigram agacchami. Atra ev tishtatu. I will come soon. You stay here. Aja vanam gacchati. The god goes to the forest. Shishuhu api anusaranam karoti. The young one also follows her. Shishuhu marga vismarati. The young one forgets the way. Ataha saharoditi. So it cries. Shrugalaha shishum pashyati. A fox sees the young one. Saha sukomalam masam khaditum ichhati. He wants to eat its soft meat. Shrugalaha vadati. Bhavan kaha kimartham roditi. The fox says, Who are you? Why are you crying? Samasyam jnatva ati karuntaya saha vadati. Knowing the problem, he says with great compassion, Chinta mastu aham matuhu samipam neshyami. Don't worry, I will take you to your mother. Maya sah chaltu. Sa mama parichita asti. Come with me. She is known to me. Aja shishuhu vadati. Aham bhavantam nam janami. The young one of the god says, I don't know you. Mama mata vadati. Yad aparichiten sa kutrapi na gamaniyam iti. My mother says, Don't go anywhere with a stranger. Vanchakaha Shrugalaha vadati. Mama visheya ma chintayatu. The cunning fox says, Don't worry on my count. Pashyatu tatra ekaha pipal vrukshaha asti. See, there is a peepal tree. Tatra bhavataha mata anvishyati. Your mother is searching you there. Aja shishuhu Shugalen sah gacchati. The young one of the god goes with the fox. Tasmin shane aja agacchati. At that time, the god comes. Swaputren saha vanchakam shrugalam drashtava vadati. Seeing her own young one with the cunning fox, he says, Putra, bhavan eten sah kutra gacchati. Dear, where are you going with this one? Asaya vishwasaha na kartavyaha. Don't trust this fellow. Shishuhu matuhu samipam dhavati. The young one runs to its mother. Shishu mukhat ghatanam shrutva ajakrudyati. Hearing the incident from the young one's mouth, the god becomes angry. Aja shrugalam praharati. The god strikes the fox. Shrugalaha palayate. The fox runs away. Aja shishum vadati. The god says to the young one, Putra, aparichitasya upari kadapi vishwasaha naiv kartavyaha. Dear, a stranger should never be trusted. Na maitri kartavya, na krutapi gamaniyam. Never make a friendship with stranger and never go anywhere with the stranger. Students, having fun listening to the story?
Yes, teacher.
Students, the story preaches us not to trust unknown person, that is stranger. If we see a stranger or thing, we have to deal with it cleverly and get rid of that problem so that we can get out of that trouble.